Hi you guys, this is Nisha from The Nisha Weston, where we talk all things feminine. Today we're talking about how to make the right decision for your life. Number one, decide if the decision is right for you. You know if it's right for you if you feel it deep down inside. Number two, consider the outcome. Of course, consider the outcome. You only know what's right for you and what's best for you. So go with that decision. Number three is you will deal with the consequences, good or bad. So make sure that these consequences and the end result is what you want. Number four, consider your heart, mind, and your spirit. You know that you want to stay close to femininity as you naturally are. Stay with that and you can't go wrong. Number five is, how does it make you feel? Like I said, according to your value system. Is it your happiness, your self-worth, your value system, whatever it is? Make the decisions that are right for you. Okay, this is Nisha. Follow me on social media at The Nisha Weston, where we talk all things feminine, and I will see you next time.